Hi everybody and welcome back to Art Shop channel. Okay guys, thanks for watching this clip. This clip is all about a fake donut and making a fake topping for it. Okay, so without further ado, let me show you the steps for doing that. First of all, you need your fake donut. So here's one I've made earlier. Now this particular one is cracked. I don't know whether you can see that on there. So it's quite a deep crack. Now I'm not going to worry about that because this particular topper is going to be strawberry sauce and strawberry balls on the top. So you won't see much of that. So we'll get away with it. So what we need to do first is you need to get your strawberry sauce, and I'm just using crimson colour acrylic paint, so it's a red colour, and I'm just going to use my fingy, and I'm just going to go around and put it on quite thick, and it will look like sauce, strawberry sauce. So I'm just opening the container. What's it called? Tube. We'll call it a tube. Okay, so I've got some on my fingy, and I'm going to go round. Look at that already. It looks like strawberry sauce. And that's all you do. You just go around and see. I'll probably put a little bit more there where that hole, that crack was, just to cover that up. Okay. Now you could use a brush for this instead of using your fingy. But I find it's easier to just clean my finger off at the end of it once I've finished doing what I need to do. And yeah, just a little bit easier there, a little side tip there. So, okay, so just go around. Got a bit of yellow on there. Can you see that? That was from the... I've just made another tutorial on how to make a lemon topper for your donut. So check that out, guys. You'll see. So that's why that finger's still a bit... yellow. Okay, so and a little bit more, I think. Look at that. Look, doesn't that look like strawberry sauce? And I think I'm going to put a little bit more just over there. It just needs to be a little bit thicker. So I'm happy with that. So let me just clean your fingy off because that would help. Now you need your balls, your strawberry balls. Now I've got these. Now these are very, very light, and let me just try and show you those. These, so they're like polystyrene balls. You can get them in craft shops, and I've had them for other projects, so I'm just using them up. And I thought, oh, that would be a good idea for strawberry little balls, you know, sugar balls in real life. But obviously these are fake. So what I'm going to do is just get some. In the past, I have used the bag and actually sprinkled it all along like that, but I find the balls go everywhere and they're so light. And as soon as you put them on the desk and your hand brushes past, they all fly everywhere. So I'm going to try this approach, which is basically just put a few on at a time, and then I shouldn't have that issue to that degree, he says. Okay, so there we go. We just put them on like so. So this particular topper, guys, is one of the easier ones to make because basically you just paint it and then stick these on the top. And it just looks really good. Okay, so that's enough of that. Can you see how they're blowing everywhere? Okay, so I'm happy with that. I'm just going to push them down slightly. And there's a little gap there. I just need to get a few more in that hole. Will it go in there? Yes, it will. Okay, so now all you do is just lift that up and shake off the excess, like so. And there you have it, guys. A strawberry topper for your fake donut. And so this is strawberry sauce with strawberry sugar balls. That's what I'm saying they are. But in reality, the donut is clay, air dry clay. We've painted that, and we've got paint as a sauce, which is acrylic paint, and you've got these polystyrene little balls on there. But it does actually look like a real donut, doesn't it? So I'm really pleased with that. So there you go, guys. Another quick tutorial. Look at all these tutorials I'm making for you guys, how to make quick toppers. So thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye-bye for now.